In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize notes in Obsidian. If your notes feel scattered or hard to search, a few simple habits will help you build a clean, reliable system you can trust. Start by opening your vault in Obsidian. Think of the vault as the home for everything you capture. Once you're inside, take a breath and look at what you already have. Organization isn't about perfection. It's about making it easier to find what you need when you need it. Next, create folders for your main categories, such as work, personal, or study. Keep these top-level folders broad and meaningful, and avoid going too deep with subfolders. The goal is to reduce decision fatigue. If you're not sure where something belongs, ask yourself where you'd look for it first. That's usually the right home. You can always refine later as patterns emerge. Now, rename your notes with clear, searchable titles. Aim for specific, keyword-rich names that describe the content, like Project Kickoff Agenda, Budget Review Q3, or Biology Exam Outline. Consistency helps a lot, so choose a simple pattern and stick to it. You can add a short prefix or date if it makes sense, but keep titles readable so they work well with Obsidian's search. Then, use tags to group related notes across folders. Add tags with a simple hash, like #meeting, research, or #idea. Tags shine when a note belongs to multiple themes. Keep your tag list small and consistent. Decide on singular or plural and use the same form every time. A few focused tags are more powerful than a long list you'll forget to use. Link your notes using double brackets like note name. Linking creates a web of context, so ideas are never isolated. If you mention a concept, person, or project that exists elsewhere, link to it. This turns separate pages into a connected knowledge base. You can also create a new note on the fly by linking to a name that doesn't exist yet, then filling it in later. Finally, review and reorganize your notes regularly to maintain a clean workspace. Set a quick weekly check-in to move misfiled notes. Update unclear titles and prune or merge duplicates. Clean up stray tags and add missing links where they would help. Small, steady maintenance prevents clutter from building up. With your vault open, folders set, titles clarified, tags added, and links in place, you've built a system that grows with you and stays easy to navigate. Start simple, keep it consistent, and let your organization support the way you think.